Good morning, traders. I'm here with some long entries I opened on Friday. I'd like to start with three stocks I've picked for you, and I want to share it before the market opens because you can take those trades too on the open. And in the end, we will talk about the SPR market, what do we expect now because we are still going higher, but uh, I would expect some corrections or retracement because we have almost three green bars in a row. So we will discuss it in the end. Okay, so let's start with first ticker, WRB. It's my favorite stock. Well, if you look, I draw a trend line there. If you connect points from February 2014 and January 2016, then you will get a very nice trend line. And look what happened. Market stopped at the trend line. My favorite pattern. Again, we have very nice zone there. Look, we have a volume profile on the side, and you can see that there is a big low volume node here. And look what happened. Market stopped at the edge of the value area, of this value area, and is afraid to go away from that value area, from the price between 43.43 and 53.20. So market was afraid. So we saw some big retracement. Look what, and rejection. Look what was here. Very nice buying tail. Market opened and almost immediately in 1 week went above the trend line. Very strong pattern for us. If you look to the upside, you can see gaps here, another magnet for market. So very nice trade. So what I took there, if you look at the daily chart, you can see that there is a minor zone over here, but maybe we'll switch again to weekly chart so you will see that it will be easier to see that zone. And look what was here. There was a zone. There was a smaller, let's say, dip, low volume node and volume profile. So it was my entry point because I saw retracement from that zone, and that's very strong support. I love this trade because I call that inside out. Market goes again inside some range, some value area, tries to go back, break again, but bounce again back to the value area. So that's inside out trade again. Okay, outside in trade is that if you go to zone and you bounce back. Inside out is that you go through the zone and bounce from that zone to that direction. In this case, to the long side. So you went through and you bounce back to direction of that previous move. So that's the first trade. Your stop loss can be, for example, here behind this wall. So around 51.35, I have 51.98 is my stop loss exactly, and my profit target is 65.63. Okay, around here. So you have you want to receive double. Okay, so if you risk $100, you want $200. So you need 2 times bigger move to the upside to gain some profits. So that's the first trade. Okay, again, gaps, rejection here, very nice zone, trend line, strong support, and inside out trade. So that's the first trade. Second one is TTEK. Again, I'll switch to week, and you will see again we have very nice trend line from 2016 and 2019. Market is near the trend line, so it was not at the trend line but near the trend line, the rejection, the retracement. And we see from weekly profile, volume profile here on the left side that there is some zone, some low volume node. And look what was happening here. Market didn't want or bounce back from the edge of the zone here, and again here. We saw very nice 3 wicks here, so nobody wanted to trade lower prices. Again, very strong indication to think about long trades. Again, we have a zone here on a daily chart, and again, inside out, market went higher, try to pull back, try to break down again, and on the first green bar, after the touch, we can enter the trade. My stop loss on this trade is 69.4, 69.4. It's around here. There is some high volume note. You can also have it here, but I wanted to have it below these two pivot lows, small. I can discuss it maybe later in some video. And my profit target is 118. It's around here. So yeah, I'm going above this high. Maybe it will be it's confidence or ego, but I think we'll go higher in this trade. Okay, so again, inside out after some retracement. And look what here, we are behind the trend line on a daily chart. So that's very nice because we are behind the trend line. We saw some retracement, and again, what was floor becomes a ceiling. Sorry, what was the ceiling becomes a floor in the market in this case. So look, if you are thinking about long trade, so again, this was a ceiling for the market, okay, and now it's floor. It's very nice support resistance level. The last one is GPN. Again, GPN weekly chart, again, very nice trend line from February 2016 and December 2018. You connect those 2 points, look here. We saw some rejection also in December 2016. And look what happened, very nice rejection. Nobody wanted to trade lower prices, very nice wick on a weekly chart. That's really amazing if you see the wick on a weekly chart. And if you switch to daily chart, again, you see there is some minor zone here. Look what was happening here. There was rejection, there was rejection. And now you see some inside out trade, and there is also some triangles. So I wanted to enter the trade before market breaks that triangle, because you'll see some momentum if the market goes higher. My stop loss is 133.16. Okay, I don't want to give much space to this trade because I expect that we will break this line and will go higher instead of waiting for some again pullback, because I want to go from this zone inside out trade from this zone, not from this zone. If I would expect long from this zone, I would place a stop maybe here, but I'm going long because I see inside out trade from this zone. So that's the reason why I have the stop loss so close. And again, my target is 187.67, 87.67 around here. It's very nice. It's before market highs high. So these are free trades I picked for you. I've opened 6 trades on Friday, but these are free trades. And now we'll switch to SPI market because we have to check what's happening. There is very big value area. Okay, we see some point of control here around 292.57, and it's very strong magnet for the market. So maybe we'll hit this point of control, and then we will see some retracement, or we are maybe near the retracement now, because I can say that this is a wall, the point of control. Okay, this high volume node. So maybe we will see some rejection from this level, because point of control is very strong support and resistance level. So in this case, I would recommend or I would expect some retracement from this level, and market will have some problem to pass this level. But we are in the middle of volume area or value area, so maybe we can touch again 303, because if market breaks into the value area, then we have very good potential that it will go almost through the value area to the next edge, and that's here to the edge of the value area. So it was here, or here was the edge of the value area, the border, and here or here is the second or maybe the opposite edge of the value area. the border. So market has tendency to go through the value area, but very strong support, keep in mind, is point of control. So thank you for your attention, guys. This was a short analysis of 3 trades I took on Friday. Hope it will be good, and I wish you good trading, guys. Bye.